If you want to make a game in Unity and use new input system for player movement, this is a thing that you might face every time when the time scale is set to 0. When you click the restart button, your player will be frozen. But don't worry, this can be fixed in a very easy way. Just go to your player's C# script and see what causes this error. Go to player movement. You need to find how is the input actions asset called. In my case, it is called controls, and the class is named input system. The reason why your game doesn't play after game over is because perhaps you have added a time scale 0, which is not the best thing to add. This is only to freeze the time. So when the time is frozen and when you restart the scene, it freezes because the time scale is still set to 0. The easy fix would be to add time scale equals 1. Time scale equals 1. And I mean, that's not everything. You need to look in the player movement script. If you don't have OnEnable and OnDisable, which are described in some of the previous tutorials, you need to add them. Controls, which is the name of the input actions asset, enable. And you need the void OnDisable. But make sure to add void. Controls, disable. Save the script and go back to Unity. As you can see, I have added a panel object, which is added like this: canvas UI panel. The panel consists of text and button. The button has the text restart and is set to auto size. The text only has game over. I just need to disable this object because I don't like because it's seen every time I want to play my game. It shouldn't be game over. I should hide that object. And I also added the game manager script. Game manager has game over object. And it's connected like this. So let's try to play it. Now it's game over. It still doesn't work. Then you have to do this. Go back to the script. Because time.timeScale is set to 0 when its lives equals 0, when you go to restart game, when you click the restart game button, it doesn't bring back the lives value. You have to revert the default value of the lives, which is 2 in this case. Save the script and go back to Unity. Now let's try to play. Great! It's working! Alright. That's it for this tutorial. It's a very simple fix that can save millions of projects. If you need more help making games in Unity, consider subscribing. Have a good day.